Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some latest crochet pillow cover new design. A crochet pillow cover design is a decorative fabric cover for a pillow or cushion that is handmade using crochet stitches and yarn. It protects the pillow while adding warmth, texture, and style to a room. Crochet pillow covers are popular for living rooms, bedrooms, nurseries, and cozy cottage-style interiors. Here are more creative tips for designing a beautiful and unique crochet pillow cover. First, planning your design. Choose a theme like boho, farmhouse, vintage, coastal, modern, cottagecore. Match the colors to your room decor. Next, decide whether the pillow will be decorative or used daily. Sketch your design before you begin. Select a square, rectangular, round, or heart-shaped design. Next, choosing yarn. Use soft cotton for a clean, crisp finish. Blend different yarn textures for added interest. Mix matte and slightly shiny yarns. Creative stitch ideas. Combine simple and textured stitches. Add bubble stitch for dimension. Try waffle stitch for a plus look. Use puff stitches to create floral effect. Experiment with basket weave or cable patterns. Decorative details. Add tassels to each corner. Sew on a handmade crochet flowers. Attach crochet leaves or vents. Add rings for a boho style. Include decorative patterns or wooden patterns. Use practical features. Make the cover removable with an envelope back. Add a zipper for a clean finish. Reinforce seams for durability. Use machine washable yarn. Make matching pillow covers in different sizes. Next, finishing touches. Block the finished cover for a polished look. Weave in all yarn ends securely. Add a neat border around the edge. Lightly steam the cover if appropriate for the yarn. Check the feet before unsalting the pillow. Design and inspiration. Mix vintage and modern elements. Use nature-inspired color palettes. Create a seasonal collection of pillow covers. Design matching sets for your sofa. Use mood boards before choosing colors. Pattern ideas. Create a patchwork design. Mix granny squares with solid panels. Use diamond-shaped motifs. Try mosaic crochet techniques. Experiment with tapestry crochet patterns. Texture and dimension. Combine smooth and textured stitches. Add raised floral motifs. Create 3D petals or butterflies. Use layered crochet designs and add ribbed edging for extra texture. Color techniques. Try color blocking. Use variegated yarn for natural color changes. Add a contrasting border. Alternate light and dark shades. Use a monochromatic color palette. Add pom-pom instead of tassels. Crochet a decorative bow. Include lace edging. Attach wooden beads for a rustic look. Add scalloped border. Next, construction tips. Make both sides reversible. Add hidden pattern closures. Reinforce corners with tight stitches. Leave a little space for easy insertion. Test the feet before finishing. Next, comfort and durability. Choose soft but durable yarn. Avoid overly loose stitches. Double crochet with strong seams. Wash and block the cover before use. Store extra covers flat to keep their shape. Next, creative themes. Floral garden themes is cottagecore style, ocean-inspired design, mountain cabin look, sunflower themed pillow, daisy chain pattern, rainbow-inspired color schemes, and vintage heirloom style. Also, cozy winter texture, spring blossom motifs. Next, professional finish. Keep stitch tension consistent. Count stitches often to maintain symmetry. Photograph your finished design in natural light. Pair the pillow with a matching crochet blanket. Create a signature style by using the same border or motif in all your pillow cover designs. These tips will help you design crochet pillow covers that are stylish, durable, and perfect for home decor, gifts, or even selling at craft fairs or online shops. Popular crochet pillow cover design. First, granny square. Colorful squares joined together for a classic vintage look. Textured stitches. Use bubble, puff, waffle, or basketed stitches for extra texture. Next, cable stitch. Elegant raised patterns that resemble knitted cables. Floral design. Decorated with crocheted flowers, leaves, or floral motifs. Boho style. Features tassels, rings, and neutral earthy colors. Modern minimalist. Simple geometric patterns in one or two colors. Next, farmhouse style. Use soft cream, beige, gray, or white with cozy textures. Benefits. Adds handmade charm to your home. Protects pillows from dust and wear. Easy to remove and wash. If made with washable yarn, great for seasonal decorating. Makes a thoughtful handmade gift. Best yarn choices: cotton yarn for durability and easy washing, acrylic yarn for softness and affordability. Cotton acrylic blends for a balance of comfort and strength. Chunky yarn for a thick, cozy look. Next, some helpful tips. Measure your pillow insert before starting. Use a hook size recommended for your yarn. Keep even tension for a neat finish. Add a zipper, buttons, or envelope closure so the cover can be removed easily. Block the finished cover to improve its shape and stitch definition. Choose colors that match your room's decor. Crochet pillow covers are beginner-friendly project and can be customized in countless colors, patterns, and sizes to suit any decorating style. A crochet pillow cover design is a decorative fabric cover for a pillow or cushion that is handmade using crochet stitches and yarn. It protects the pillow while adding warmth, texture, and style to a room. Crochet pillow covers are popular for living rooms, bedrooms, nurseries, and cozy cottage-style interiors. These ideas can help you create crochet pillow covers that are elegant, durable, and suitable for modern farmhouse, boho, vintage, or cottage-style homes. Thanks for watching this video. Happy crocheting!